Welcome to my channel Car Auto, ladies and gentlemen. In 1988, Volkswagen was in a period of steady growth and evolution, solidifying its reputation as one of the world's leading automakers. The company had already established a strong foothold in global markets, with a diverse lineup of vehicles that catered to different consumer needs. During this year, Volkswagen was focused on maintaining its dominance in Europe while expanding further into North America and other regions. The 1980s had been a transformative decade for the automotive industry, and Volkswagen was at the forefront, continuously improving its vehicles in terms of technology, safety, and design. One of Volkswagen's most successful models during this time was the Golf MK2, which had been introduced in 1983 as the successor to the original Golf. By 1988, the Golf MK2 was a well-established vehicle that had become immensely popular in Europe and beyond. Known for its durability, practicality, and fuel efficiency, the Golf MK2 appealed to a wide range of drivers, from families to young professionals. The GTI version, in particular, was a favorite among enthusiasts due to its sporty performance and dynamic handling. Volkswagen continued to refine the Golf MK2 throughout its production cycle, introducing various engine options, including fuel-injected gasoline and diesel variants. Another key model in Volkswagen's lineup was the Jetta MK2, which shared many components with the Golf but was designed as a sedan rather than a hatchback. The Jetta was especially popular in North America, where sedans were often preferred over hatchbacks. It offered more interior space and a larger trunk while maintaining the efficiency and reliability that Volkswagen vehicles were known for. The Jetta MK2 was available with a variety of engine choices, including fuel-efficient diesel options that appealed to cost-conscious consumers. It was a practical and well-built vehicle that helped Volkswagen strengthen its presence in markets outside of Europe. Volkswagen's commitment to innovation was evident in the Passat, which was another important model in the company's lineup during 1988. The Passat was positioned as a mid-size family car, offering a balance between comfort, performance, and efficiency. The third-generation Passat, introduced in 1988, featured a more aerodynamic design compared to its predecessor, as well as improved technology and safety features. One of the most significant updates was the introduction of a transverse engine layout, which helped optimize interior space. The Passat was available in sedan and station wagon variant versions, catering to different consumer preferences. During this period, Volkswagen was also producing the Scirocco, a sporty coupe that had gained a loyal following since its debut in the 1970s. The second-generation Scirocco, which was still in production in 1988, featured a sleek design and a range of engine options that provided an engaging driving experience. While it was not as mainstream as the Golf or Jetta, the Scirocco was appreciated by those who wanted a stylish and fun-to-drive vehicle. Another notable vehicle from Volkswagen in 1988 was the Vanagon T3, which was the third generation of Volkswagen's Transporter series. This model was particularly popular among families and businesses due to its versatility and spacious interior. The Vanagon was available in various configurations, including passenger and cargo versions, as well as camper variants that were favored by travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with rear-wheel drive or Volkswagen's Synchro all-wheel drive system, the Vanagon was a reliable option for those who needed a durable and practical van. Volkswagen's focus on technological advancements was reflected in its efforts to improve fuel efficiency and emissions control. During the 1980s, automakers were increasingly pressured to develop more environmentally friendly vehicles, and Volkswagen responded by refining its diesel engines and incorporating fuel injection technology into many of its gasoline-powered models. The company was also experimenting with alternative fuels and vehicle concepts, laying the groundwork for future innovations. In terms of global operations, Volkswagen continued to expand its manufacturing presence outside of Germany. The company had established production facilities in various countries to meet growing demand and reduce production costs. This strategy allowed Volkswagen to remain competitive in different markets and better adapt to local consumer preferences. In North America, Volkswagen had a manufacturing plant in Pennsylvania, although it faced challenges in gaining market share against domestic automakers. Volkswagen's motorsport division was also active during this time, with the company participating in various racing events to showcase the performance capabilities of its vehicles. The Golf GTI, in particular, was used in rally and touring car competitions, helping to strengthen Volkswagen's reputation for producing sporty and reliable cars. While Volkswagen was experiencing success in many areas, the company also faced challenges in the late 1980s. Competition from Japanese automakers was intensifying, with brands such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan offering well-built and affordable vehicles that appealed to a broad audience. Additionally, Volkswagen's reputation for reliability was being tested, as some of its models experienced quality issues that required attention. The company was aware of these challenges and worked to address them by investing in quality control and customer satisfaction initiatives. Despite these hurdles, Volkswagen remained a formidable player in the automotive industry. The company's ability to produce a diverse range of vehicles, from compact hatchbacks to family sedans and commercial vans, allowed it to maintain a strong market presence. By the end of 1988, Volkswagen was preparing for the next phase of its evolution, with new models and technological advancements on the horizon. Volkswagen's success in 1988 was built on its legacy of engineering excellence and innovation. The company's vehicles were known for their solid build quality, fuel efficiency, and practicality, making them popular choices in many parts of the world. While the automotive landscape was changing rapidly, Volkswagen continued to adapt and evolve, ensuring that it remained a key player in the industry. Looking back at Volkswagen in 1988, it was a year of both achievements and challenges. The company had a strong lineup of vehicles that appealed to different segments of the market, and its commitment to technological advancements positioned it well for the future. As the automotive industry moved into the 1990s, Volkswagen was set to introduce new models and further refine its existing lineup, continuing its tradition of producing high-quality vehicles that met the needs of drivers around the world. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.